Have you ever pondered if the life you're living is an illusion, like in The Matrix? Picture this: The Matrix, a system of control, mirroring the societal constraints and expectations we face every day. Imagine feeling trapped, stuck in a life that seems to offer no way out, much like the characters trapped within The Matrix. Now, imagine the possibility of breaking free. But what if you could break free from this matrix, this illusion, and realize your true potential? The first step in escaping the matrix is to recognize its existence. It's the invisible societal norms and expectations that often cage us, without us even realizing. It's important to question these norms, to delve deeper than what's merely presented on the surface. This demands a hefty dose of self-awareness and critical thinking, both of which form our armor in this escape. The second step is to disconnect. This is the moment of choice, where you decide to prioritize personal growth over societal expectations. It's about placing your own path and ambitions above the pre-decided norms that the world might impose on you. The third step is to learn and grow. Arm yourself with new knowledge, skills, and experiences. They are your tools, your keys to personal development. They are what will help you navigate and conquer your journey. Finally, the last step is to act, to take control of your life, and to shape your reality. Once you've escaped the matrix, what's next? Well, understand this. Success isn't a finish line to be crossed. It's an ever-evolving journey. It's about defining what success means to you, not by societal standards, but by your own. It's about continuous growth, perpetual learning, and finding fulfillment in every step you take. It's about harnessing your unique potential. So don't just exist, thrive. Remember, escaping the matrix is not about rejecting the world, but about embracing your true potential and living a life of purpose and success.